Hello, y'all. It's your host, Mr. D713 with Everything Culture, and it is day 2 of Black History Month. And today we would like to recognize Carla Hall. Born in Nashville, Tennessee, Carla grew up surrounded by soul food. When the time came for her to select her career path, she first opted the business route. She graduated from Howard University Business School and worked as an accountant for 2 years before deciding to switch her gears to work as a runway model. It was during that time, as she traveled and ate her way through Europe for a few years, that she realized her deep-rooted passion for food could be her career path. Carla attended L'Academie de Cuisine in Maryland, was a caterer, and is owner and executive chef of Alchemy by Carla Hall, an artisan cookie company based out of Washington, D.C., and she was a former co-host on ABC talk show The Chew. Carla is also a recognized author. She has 3 cookbooks: Carla's Comfort Food, Favorite Dishes from Around the World, Cooking with Love, Comfort Food That Hugs You, Carla's Hall Soul Food, Everyday Celebration, which is her most recent book and was published in 2018, landing on annual Best Cookbook lists across the country and receiving an NAACP Image Awards nomination. Just like us at Everything Culture, Carla believes food connects us all, and she strives to communicate this through her work, her cooking, and her daily interaction with others. Thank you for your contributions, Carla. Once again, this has been your host, Mr. D713 with Everything Culture, wishing you all a happy Black History Month, and we look forward to seeing you all for day 3. Peace.